Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these cute Valentine's Day nails. If you're interested, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so my nails are already prepped per usual. Now in this video, we're using the Enailcouture 123 Go Gel nails, and these are the Princess Pink Coffins. So I'm going to be choosing my sizes, and I'll be right back. This is what it looks like with one hand complete, and they do look good already. Now to do the other hand, I'm going in with two products today, and that's Enailcouture's base coat and a clear builder gel from Nail Supply Glamour. So first, I'm going to be putting the base coat on my natural nails, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Next, I'm using the builder gel to apply the nail extensions, but you're going to see some struggle in this process, specifically with the thumb and the middle finger. For some reason, they just didn't want to act right. So initially, I just wasn't sure if I was putting enough product on the nail or not, because it seemed like it was going to stay. And then it just wasn't having it. It just popped right on off. Right here. Yeah. So major fail. So I went ahead and filed off all that product off camera. And now I'm applying the base coat to my nail again. And without curing, I'm going to apply the builder gel to the nail extension. And I'm going to place that right on top of the nail and cure it that way. And I found that this method actually worked for me. So I went ahead and cured again for good measure. You can see that I tried hard to try to take it off. It was not coming off. So moving on to the next finger, I did the process the exact same way. So without curing, I put that base gel on there and then put the builder gel on top of that extension, pop that right on there, and put that in my nail lamp, and boom, easy peasy. So as I mentioned earlier, there's going to be a lot of struggle situations with this middle finger encounter. And I'm just going to keep trying until it gets right. But I kept the footage in here just so I could show you guys that for me it wasn't a perfect process. And if you don't have a perfect process, that is okay. It is completely normal. But yeah, I had a struggle process, but we finally got it together. So I'm going to leave this here and I'll be right back. So even after curing here, that nail came right on off. So I tried it again, and this is the time that it actually worked. So guys, just be patient with yourself, with the process, and it will work out. And I didn't do anything different. I'm using the same exact process, putting the base coat gel on my nail, then without curing, putting the builder gel on the extension, and going forward. So it ended up working finally, like the fourth time. But nonetheless, it did work. Now I'm going to the next nail and doing the exact same process. So I will be back after all of the nails are on. So the nails are on, they look good. I got both hands going. There are some bubbles, but nothing too noticeable. And next, I'm just gonna get to filing and I'll be back. Here you're seeing me just trying to get that builder gel that dried underneath the nail out. You're gonna see me grab some nippers on this next part to get that part out, just because it's a little uncomfortable for me. And yeah, we're gonna move on to the next nail and the drama that comes with that. Yeah, I thought I was done filing here, but all of a sudden... So after that middle finger fiasco, I went ahead and finished filing that hand off camera and doing the left hand. And after that, I'm gonna file a little bit more off camera and figure out something to do to my nails as far as the design goes. So I ended up going towards the Powerpuff Girls vibes. I remember that heart from when I was younger. That's super Valentine-y. So that's what I ended up doing. So here I just drew a little heart on both my middle finger and my ring finger with the diamond gel glue, and I'm just placing the rhinestones, crystals, whatever. I'm just placing those directly on where I drew that heart, and yeah, it's coming together. So I'm gonna add some red crystals in there, and then I will be back. So after applying those crystals, I went ahead with my Nail Supply Glamour top coat so I can cure all of this and all of it will stay secure and in place. So after curing, I'm going in with this Beetles nail polish that I got from Amazon. And per usual, I'll link everything down below in the description box. But I'm drawing these little hearts on here. And shortly after drawing these hearts, my phone dies. So I'm apologizing in advance. But you're gonna see the finished look. And yeah, I really do appreciate all you guys for watching and all that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the end result. So yeah, guys, that's about it. I really do appreciate you guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.